then really getting to something that I want to talk to you guys about, which is having a productive day as a busy mom or a busy person. I'm alive. Good morning, guys. Bye-bye, Daddy. Can you say it? Can you say bye-bye, Daddy? Where's Daddy going? The gym. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our day in the life, see what comes up. Right? Oh, you want my hand patches? No, we gotta leave those on. What's on mommy's eyes? This tripod is on its last leg. Tripod joke. If you have not seen my last couple videos, every day I have black iced coffee, and then after I break my fast, then I'll have like my fun coffee. But on the weekends, I've just been doing something with not a lot of sugar in it. I've been doing pistachio milk, and it gives it such a like nutty taste. You guys asked me to review that, so I'll do that now. I really still like the Starbucks iced coffee better, but we still have this, so we're just gonna finish it up. And then this you do have to shake, because it separates. So there are a lot of nut milks out there. There's so many different ones, but I have to say, if you like pistachio ice cream, pistachio nut milk is the best milk. And this brand, 3 Trees, organic, unsweetened pistachio nut milk. So it's not gonna be like sugary like pistachio. Bye, you're not allowed to do that. No. Let me see. Yeah, this brand is only filtered water, organic pistachios, organic almonds. Oh, so there is almonds in this. Organic almond extract and pink Himalayan salt. So it's really, oh, it says it on the top, simply 5 ingredients. So you should check out the brand 3 Trees. And one of my subscribers who doesn't want to have nuts, she wanted to try this brand and she found oat milk. So they have different things. But if you're into like a very like nutty taste, it makes your coffee super nutty. And it's thick, like pistachio milk is very thick. I found this at Whole Foods, but I mean, I'm sure a lot of different grocery stores have it. By the way, this is the whole outfit of the day. So my little slip-on sneakers, perfect like birthday party outfit, other than the fact that I'm wearing white. Like who goes to a kid's birthday and wears white, but here we are. But anyway, yeah, so I really like the blue because I wear so much neutral that I feel like I can get away with a bright colored bag and it's fun. And if I'm gonna get a bright colored bag, I'm gonna get a tiny one. So I'm gonna give a little review on this Balenciaga city bag later in the day. I'll show you guys like what fits into it. Some of you guys on story said you wanted like a mini review with my little mini bag. Jared, the professional rapper. Uncle Jer. Yeah, Uncle Jer. What are we gonna say to Lee? Happy birthday, Lee! Yay! Leah's sleeping. Yeah. The birthday girl's sleeping, but look at where she's gonna go. Leah in Wonderland. I love these balloons. Look at the house. You wanna go in there? Yeah, we'll wait for Lee.
I like it.
Yeah. Let me see Violet.
You like it, Violet?
Wow!
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so here is my updated healthy cookie. So you guys know I make these healthy chocolate chip cookies every single week. We are obsessed with them.
and they are significantly less sugar than most chocolate chip cookies. So I hope you guys enjoy the updated recipe.
Chocolate chips and memories, coffee and homemade cookies, they make me feel at home. Father, brother, mother dear, you're so far but feel right here no matter how far I go. There's love inside.
Keep in mind the dough is a little bit on the wet side, so you can't really roll it in balls, so I use a spoon and then I kind of use my hand to mold it.
Big screen and a lazy boy, green and gold uniforms and a breezy colored autumn day. Phone a friend who's talking trash, or how's the team and how's the dad, and how some things just never change. There's love inside.
And more cookies. So I took that exact same base that I did on Sunday and I tried to invent like a salted caramel cookie. So basically you make them the exact same way, except this time you're gonna add salted caramel topping and drizzle it on the raw cookies, and then you're gonna bake them that way. And I've just been practicing some fall recipes so that I can add some different recipes to my fall series. So I've been testing them, and my husband literally ate them all. I think that they needed more caramel. That's just my opinion, but they're a lot healthier, a lot less sugar. They're delicious.
The outfit of the day, I did a haul on this outfit. This outfit is from Aritzia. And then here I will add in my little bag review of the Balenciaga City bag. What I like about this one is with having a baby, I hold bags all different ways now. Like I used to only like side bags and I would just hold it to the side, but now I'll be like holding her. So then I like that it has like these little handles here so that you could just hold it like this. Wear with workout clothes, you can wear it with a cute outfit like this. Obviously you can get a more neutral color and it could be like your everyday bag. So all my favorite things that it fits. A wallet. Usually small bags only fit like a handful of things. My phone, a lipstick, or lip gloss, and then I usually have my camera in there, which I was so pleasantly surprised that my camera fits. But since I'm using this camera to film this video, I have my second camera and I just took the lens off because this one I have like a huge lens with it. See how everything fits in there. That's like the essentials for leaving the house, plus my car keys. So it's small but compact. That's what I love about it.
We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll search through the clouds. Yeah, we left New York City.
Day's video in the vlog. So I want to show you a couple days in the life and just like having some fun, and then really getting to something that I want to talk to you guys about, which is having a productive day as a busy mom or a busy person. I'm realizing now as a busy mom that I can't get everything done that I write down. Just because I write it down, just because it's in my planner, which we're gonna talk about this in a second, but just because it's on my to-do list in my planner doesn't mean that it's gonna happen. And kind of finding that balance between being productive and being a person of your word. So when you say you're gonna do something and you're disciplined, but also finding the balance of being present with family time and that family matters. Yeah, that's really what I want to talk about in today's video, like how you can achieve your goals and how you can still make progress with your to-do list and progress with whatever it is you're doing, but also finding joy on the way, not beating yourself up, especially if you have fallen into a rut more than ever. And it must be this time of year, right? Like the halfway, like, okay, we're kind of done with summer, but we're not quite there with fall yet. And then also just opening DMs and seeing from you guys that people have been saying, like, what do you do when you're in a rut or feeling anxious? And I have to say that I've been there too. I've been there recently, and hopefully some of these tips can help too. Okay, so the first thing I have written down for you guys is you need rut days. So you need days where you're in a rut. You need days where you are unmotivated. I want you to think of it like this. You are unmotivated so that you can get motivated again. You disconnect to reconnect, kind of something like that, if that putting it that way makes more sense. I find that when you fight the rut days, when you're like, okay, I'm in a rut, like for me especially, it's like making content. So like I have to be here, I have to be present. So what I'll do is, like on Sunday, I canceled Sunday's video. So normally I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, but I'm not gonna put up a video where it was a rut. Like I'd rather talk about the rut and how I got through it and post that video. But if it's an actual day where my energy's low or my daughter needs me more, and I've heard people talk about this on podcasts, I've read things about this in books, that you need rut days to create space and to have time to think. And we live in this very like, I don't want to ever feel bored world. Like if you are doing the laundry, you're also listening to a podcast because God forbid you felt bored, because laundry is not fun. So you're constantly doing something. But what I read is that actually steals your motivation. And sometimes I'll just be doing like the most random task ever, like emptying the dishwasher. And I'll be like, wait, hold on, I'm getting a video idea. And then I write it in notes on my phone and there was the video idea. Had I been listening to a podcast or a book, sometimes I like to listen to ebooks, maybe that spark wouldn't have come and I'd still kind of be in this rut. Now, that's not to say that I never listen to something while I'm doing a basic chore. I'm just saying that when you have these moments where you just want motivation, or maybe you need motivation to cook again, or motivation to eat healthy again, or motivation to go to the gym again, and it's just not happening. You're feeling so stuck. So drop what you're doing and just let yourself be in a rut. Let yourself be uninspired so that you can get inspired again, so that you can get excited about it again. My second tip is to, and this is especially for moms out there, get realistic about your day, your routine, and all of that. So I will put things in my planner. I got this planner at Target, by the way. I always get asked about it. I'll have it linked in the description box. But I'll get asked like, how do you do so many things in a day? There's some days that I wake up and I have this whole long thing, and then I'm like, yeah, I'm probably getting like 3 things out of the list of 7 things. This is what I would do. I'd create my to-do list. This was before I had my daughter. So I was a very like disciplined, regimen kind of person before I had her. Like I had my morning routine, what I like to do. I had my to-do list that I like to do. And I feel like that created such a good foundation so that by the time I did have a baby, I kind of like had this whole, you know, situation set up. With that being said, is I'm now learning that I can't get everything done. And at first it was like, okay, well today I didn't do it, but tomorrow I will. And it would go on to tomorrow. And what I found was that each day I was like disappointing myself, and I didn't like the way that that felt. So now what I do is I'm realistic about my time. So my hours of working are 10 to 2. With that being said, I have to create a realistic work routine. So I have someone to help me watch her from 10 to 2, and I have to get my stuff done then. If it doesn't happen then it's not happening while I'm with my daughter. Apply this to your situation. You have your work hours, your designated work hours. You fit what you can in those hours, so use your time wisely. That's really what I've learned as a busy mom, is that I have to use my time wisely. I also think that'll really help you get out of a rut too, because work hours and your work time is separated from you time and what makes you happy. Because at the end of the day, it's not all about work. It's also about family time, working on yourself, your inner self. This is where the planner comes into play for my third tip. So what I want you to do is, you see how in my planner I have like all the days, right? So I'll write down like what I have to do in each day, like on this day, whatever. So those are kind of like urgent things, kind of needs to get done that day. But what I'll do in notes in my phone, and then I'll just like delete it each month, is I'll put like August, and I'll write down all the things we want to get done, all the things we need to do that month that I want to remember to do, but they're not like urgent things. That way, if I have, you know, time on a Saturday morning or something, I can kind of like tackle some of those things. So for example, I wanted to get her a passport. There was not like an urgent date that I had to do that by. I knew I wanted to do it before September, but there wasn't like an urgent time, so I just put it in that, so it doesn't overwhelm me in here. So this is more like stuff that I have to do weekly. It's not to say the things on my other list aren't important, it's just they're not time sensitive. And my fourth tip for being more productive, getting out of a rut, having a, you know, happy, productive, positive day, try to manage your stress. Avoid stress when possible. I'm sure a lot of us, that's like easier said than done, but there's definitely things I could do. Like there's different maybe this is rude, I don't know, I don't care. Sometimes you have to take care of your mental health. There's different people I've muted on Instagram because their stories are stressful to me, or maybe they complain about their day a lot. I'm an empath, so I feel like I take on a lot of energy. I take on a lot of other people's energy. So if there's people that are complaining about their day a lot, or they're just being stressful, like I can't always explain it, but you know the feeling. You know when someone's being negative, you know when someone's like putting stress onto you or changing the vibe, changing the mood. So mute them or don't watch them. Try to avoid them when you are getting your work done or doing different things. And that's not to say that you can never like turn on the news or listen to people on Instagram. I'm just saying that when you are trying to get things done, like say you come up with that window like we talked about in my last tip, so my window 10 to 2, say in that window you could just focus on the task at hand. That's what I always remind myself. I saw a quote, and this is just so me, but like, you can't be everything to everybody. Let me know what you thought about like this kind of video, having some tips in a vlog and kind of seeing my day and all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope some of these tips can help you if you're feeling anxious or in a rut or just want to be more productive. Have an awesome day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.